Today we are going to learn about project management. In this session, we are going to learn about project, definition of the project, some of the examples of the project, about the project management and the procedures involved in the project management. And first of all, I would like to go through project, what actually project means. It may be defined as the planned set of the interrelated tasks to be executed over a fixed period of time and within certain cost, resource, and other limitations intended to achieve a particular purpose. That is, in the project means it is a planned set of tasks, which are interrelated to one another. That is, certain tasks must be performed before the next one, or the certain task must be performed after finishing the one of the tasks. And in the project, there is a limitation of the time. That is, we have a fixed period of the time and other limitations such as a fixed cost, fixed resources, and each have an intention. The project's main objective or the goal is to achieve particular purpose. It has a certain purpose. We will surely describe about this in the characteristics of the project. Yes. And our project management body of knowledge. PMBOK has described project as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product or a service. Some of the examples of the projects are construction projects like building hydropower highways, etc., and the production of the new products in the market, research and development projects. Now we'll go through what project management actually is. Project management is the set of the specific knowledge, tools, and techniques to deliver something of value to the people. That is, project management means use of the skills, knowledges, and techniques. For what? For creating something valuable thing, or the thing that adds value to the people. At its most fundamental, project management is all about getting things done within the right time, within the budget, within all the limitations which we have been provided. Actually, in project management, it's managing project centers four things that are identifying project's requirement. First of all, we identify what are the requirements of the project, why the project is going to be executed, and then clearly establishing defined project objectives. That is, we should develop the certain objectives such as when should we start the project, how much work should we finish at a certain period of the time, and so on. And then managing the project stakeholders. Every project consists of a group of peoples or institutions involved in the project, which should manage the peoples involved in it and the investors involved in it. And last but not least, the managing for project management, we should keep scope, schedule, cost, risk, and quality in a balance. All these factors should be taken in a balance. And next, we will learn about characteristics of the project. Actually, characteristics of the project, most important characteristics of the project is definite time limit, a clear start and end point. Every project should have a definite, that is a clear start and end point, as no any project could run forever. For example, if we are constructing a bridge, it should be completed within a certain time. For example, we are given a period of 1 or 2 years to construct a certain bridge. Next, the project must be unique. The project creates something new. If your project is for the development of software, it must be unique. It should not match with the other softwares which had already been into the market. or if you are constructing a certain project such as construction of the road in the field, it should be unique in the sense that it must serve as the same function as the other roads, but the construction procedure, the methods used in the construction of the roads it differs according to its location and its need of care taken in the place. Other characteristic may be constants. A project has a boundaries. Constant means project has a limitation of time, cost, and resources. It should be fulfilled within the certain limitations of these constants. And next characteristic is specific objective. The project must have a specific objective, that is, the objectives must be specified already so that every objective could be achieved, and achieving the every objective means achieving our goal, that is completion of the project. Next is a teamwork. Every project needs members from different fields, that is experts. They might be the experts or skilled manpowers to complete a project. Like, for example, we can take an industry as example. In the industry, we need skilled manpowers, unskilled manpowers. There we need accountants. There we need the production resources, plans, peoples to work as a team. They must support each other to fulfill our objective or the goals. And next is non-repetitive. Our project should not be repetitive. For example, in the construction, we can take an example of construction project. Once we construct footing, we do not perform it repeatedly. It's done only for one time in the project development stage. And next characteristic is risk and uncertainties. As the project, as in the project starts, risks and uncertainties develops within it. It is inherent. We cannot completely remove any risks and uncertainties from the project. Next characteristic of the project is planning and scheduling. Actually, every project need to be well planned and scheduled so that the objective and the goal we have planned could be achieved within the time, within time, cost, and quality. Actually, we can learn the characteristics of the project by learning thing I have written here. TU terms plans, where T time, U unique, T teamwork, R risk and uncertainty, and non-repetitive, S specific objective, and planning and scheduling. Actually, I have made this long trick so that it would be easier for you to remember in the examinations. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful for you. If you find it interesting and if you want me to make such videos, please keep supporting and comment on which topic I should make the video related to project engineering. Thank you.